guys, it's me, Sammy, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full lip swatch and review of the brand new MARC 2-in-1 lip tattoos. These are brand new lip stains available in Avon, and I am so excited for these. Now these come in 8 shades and each one has a thin tip for lining your lip and also a fatter tip for filling your lip. They are meant to have incredible staying power and they're meant to be really highly pigmented with only one coat. So I am super excited to try these out, and I'm also going to show you how to use these to create different lip art looks. So I am currently wearing a two-tone lip look, and I'm also going to show you how to do a graduated lip art look and also an ombre lip art look using these lip tattoos. But before I jump in and show you how to do the lip art looks, guys, let me first do the full lip swatches of the 8 shades. First up, I'm going to try on the shade Bright Side, which is a very bright pink. I'm going to use the line side to line my lips, and then I'm going to fill it using the other pen. So that is my lips lined. Now I'm just going to go in and fill it in with the other side. To be honest, I am super impressed with these. They don't feel drying. A lot of lip stains that I've used before feel like a really dry felt tip, but these felt actually really quite moist, and the liner side especially was so easy to work with, as you probably saw from the video. Now to test if they are transfer proof or anything, but my first notice is I have nothing on my teeth. No colour whatsoever has transferred onto my teeth, which is a great sign. So let's see if it is transfer proof. So I have my hand with nothing on it, and I'm just going to go ahead and kiss it and see if anything transfers. Literally nada. Transfer proof, but so pigmented, it's actually crazy. So I am really liking these. Let's go ahead and swatch the rest of them.
So to create the ombre lip art look, I'm going to start off with Forever Mine, and I'm using the thin tip to line the outer third of my lip on the left hand side, and then we're going to go and do the same on the right hand side as well. Now using the shade Inked Rose, I'm just going to line the center third of my lips with the thin liner tip. Now going back to Forever Mine and using the thick angled tip, I'm going to be colouring in the outer thirds of my lip on the left hand side and the right hand side as well. Now going in with Inked Rose again, and I'm just going to colour in the centre and really try and blend out the outer edges to create that amazing ombre effect. And that is the ombre look completed. Now to create a graduated lip art look, I'm going to start with the shade Lasting Impression, and I'm going to line one half of my lip using the ultra fine tip. For the other half of my lip, I'm going to use the shade Stay Cool and use the fine tip again to line it. Now going back in with the shade Lasting Impression and using the thick angled tip to colour in that half of my lip. And using the shade Stay Cool again with the thick angled tip and colouring in the other half of my lip as well. Being sure to blend over the line where the two colours meet so that it's nice and graduated and it blends beautifully. And then going in one more time again with the shade Lasting Impression to blend over that line and make sure that it's really seamless and beautifully blended. And that is the graduated lip look done. Now to create a two-tone lip look, I'm going to line my top lip with the shade Inked Rose and I'm going to fill it in using the wide angled tip. And then for my bottom lip, I'm going to go in with the shade Stay Cool. I'm going to again line my lip with the thin tip and fill it in with the wide angled tip. Now you can of course use any colours for these looks, these are just some of my examples that I've given. And that is the two-tone look complete.
I will link all of the information for the lip tattoos down in the description box below, just in case any of you wanted to go and check them out. They are really, really cool and I'm really, really liking them. I think they last ages. They're a bugger to get off, if I'm completely honest with you. Transfer proof, the lot. I really, really like them and they're not drying on my lips at all. I really, really enjoy wearing them. They're super comfortable and to be honest, it doesn't really feel like I have anything on my lips, which is amazing for the pigment and the colour that I actually have on my lips. I really hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and also hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more from me, because I upload every single week, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.